Hello, it's your girl Ekwa Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. If today is the first time of crossing this channel, please subscribe to this channel for your girl, like, share and comment. For those people who have already subscribed to this channel, I say a very big thank you to you all. For those who have not yet, I'm still pleading, please subscribe to this channel for your girl, for the channel to grow. On today's recipe, I'm preparing jollof rice. You know, that's my ingredient that I'm going to use for my jollof rice with turkey wings. I'm going to enjoy it with some turkey wings. So, for not wasting much time, let's start our recipe for today. So that's my turkey wings. The spices that I'm using, don't worry, I'm going to write everything below the description box for you to try it. My ginger powder, my garlic powder, little bit of salt to taste, just a little bit. You add more water to it, and then chop onion. And you cover it. Wasting time, I'm going to fry my shrimps. Just need small oil to fry my shrimps. Then with my shrimps, I've only used a little bit of salt to coat it, and then fish spices. Just a little bit of fish spices, and then salt to taste. Then you mix everything together, eh? Let's turn our shrimps. I want to fry it a little bit harder because I'm going to blend it for the jollof. See our turkey wings. Before we start our sauce, I'm frying my turkey wings. And then we use the oil to start our sauce. Don't forget to try this recipe because it's very delicious. The reason why I'm saying is I've tasted it, I've tried it so many times, and it really tastes good. You use your fresh shrimps as I've done it here. I've removed the skin from it, and then I fry it myself. I'm going to blend it, then use it, add it to my sauce. My turkey wings is ready. I'm removing it, and then strain the oil, then use it for my sauce. Garlic with Scottish pepper. To do my sauce, I'm adding a little bit of water to it, then blend it. I'm adding my dry ingredients, rosemary, fennel and then basil. Blend everything together. Guys, I'm starting my sauce. So this is the oil that I use to fry my shrimps plus the turkey wings. I've strained it, then I'm adding my red onions. chopped red onions. Fry it a little bit, just 2 to 3 minutes. Like those, about 3 minutes later, I'm adding my tomato paste. Then you mix it with the oil. Right now I'm adding my blended item, the ginger, garlic, and then dry rosemary, fennel and basil. And you mix it together too with your tomato paste. Then you stir it together and fry it for 5 minutes. Guys, I'm adding my curry powder. Then stir it together and leave it for 2 minutes before you add your tomatoes. I'm adding my 1 can chopped tomatoes. Then you stir it together too. Our sauce is getting ready very soon. Then we add our rice to it. You leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then we add my shrimp powder. I'm going to blend it right now. I'm blending my fried shrimps. I'm using dry blender to blend it. Adding my seasoning to it. Plus my 1 star cube and the maggi cube, the shrimp one. Very hot. Okay. Then you stir everything together. Guys, I've already washed my 3 cups of jasmine perfume rice. That's what I'm using. So I'm pouring it inside. And then fry it a little bit and add my stock to it. Guys, I'm adding my stock to it. Add a little bit inside my freezer. So I've added it. Then you mix it together before you add your water to it. Guys, I'm adding a little bit of salt to it. Just a little. Because I love the taste. Then you stir it and you add your water. I'm not going to add too much of water to it. Just a little bit. Not even up to half cup. And you stir it and you cover it. Guys, let's check our jollof. Then stir it a little bit. You know, with jollof you have to continue stirring it from time to time. Other than that, you can see some will be hard, then some will be soft. I'm using aluminum to cover it. Then use the vapor to cook. Guys, our jollof is almost done, so I'm adding my vegetables. You can add any vegetable that you prefer. Then cover it with the paper to let the vegetable be a little bit soft. Hello guys, our jollof rice is ready. It's serving time. Let's look at our jollof rice with our takeaways and the coleslaw salad. If you haven't watched the recipe of the coleslaw salad, please don't forget to watch my other video. You will see everything there. Guys, eating time, all of you are invited, eh? Please don't forget to like this video, share, comment and subscribe. For the return subscribers, I always say thank you and I love you all. Don't forget to try this recipe, eh? It's very delicious. Catch up in our next recipe, eh? See you.